You attack the virus of disengagement by using what I call the Great 8. 1. Take the temperature of your organization often. Use unbiased tools and assessments to unearth the truth. 2. Continually coach employees to improve job performance. 3. Teach employees new ideas and concepts so they can increase their worth and value. 4. Be brave enough to communicate in clear and direct language. 5. Focus on the individual's assets. 6. Be honest in understanding your own strengths and limitations as a leader. 7. Pay attention to your quiet talent by recognizing their consistency and dedication and reward them in quiet ways. 8. Invite top performers to meetings they'd normally not attend.